Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to animate texture in Blender. How to animate textures. So these are all the textures which I have created. These all are texture which are created. I just painted. So now go to edit, go to preference, and make sure your node wrangler is turned on. This is important. Make sure your node add-ons and node wrangler is turned on. And now what you do is go in your shading. Let me delete this. Go to shading, press and add image sequence and search for your images. Make sure you have named this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise it will not work because it is a image sequence. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have name 1, 2, 3, 4 and and your numeric order 1, 2, 3, 4 and add image sequence. Image sequence, add image sequence and put your color to color, and here frames, click one, start frames also click one, cycle, click here cycle, auto refresh also click here auto refresh, and add to key set, right click object and add to key set. And now go in your texture mode, go in your layout mode and go in texture mode and see our images here, one, two, three, four. So these four image I have created, one, two, three, four. And if you want to animate this, select the number. This I want first, so just add keyframe to that. In 8 I want this, just add keyframe. Like this you can just animate your character. The keyframe is not showing here but it is added. See, I have added the keyframe. After this I again want one. Like this you can animate the character. Animate the textures in Blender. See, like this you can animate the texture in Blender. Make sure your this is turned on. Node wrangle and just add image sequence, and here from here you can add keyframes. So that's it friend, this is a very simple video on how to animate textures in Blender. This is very fun part to animate the textures in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.